Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then we have to scroll down and find more security and privacy, and here enter special permissions. Here all we have to do is to find install unknown apps, and as you can see we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher. Here we've got the warning because you have to be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Here you have to mark this sentence that you're aware of possible risks and confirm it with OK. Now we can go back, and as you can see the Chrome in my case is allowed to install something. Of course, if you want to, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.